These AI building time-lapse reels are getting millions of views right now, and in this video I'll show you exactly how you can generate infinite of these in literally minutes. So firstly we open ChatGPT, and we paste this prompt right here in a new chat. Now once you hit enter, ChatGPT is going to ask you which building you want to create, and it actually gives you its own list of 5 buildings to choose from right here, or if you have something else in mind you can just type any building or concept you want, so let me go ahead and type 4. And as you can see it has now given us a detailed complete generation prompt. We just copy this entire prompt. Now we head over to Grok, and inside Grok you'll see an option called Imagine. Click on that and paste your prompt in there. Now before you hit enter make sure 2 things. First change the aspect ratio to 9:16, and second make sure video mode is selected and not image mode. Once that's done go ahead and hit enter, and it'll take just a few seconds to generate. And here's our video ready right here. Now here's the thing, this video is 6 seconds, which is decent, but if you want a longer video just follow this next part carefully. We go back to ChatGPT and this time we copy only the first half of the prompt, that is up to step 2 of the process. We paste that in Grok and generate the video. Once that's done we go back to ChatGPT and copy the remaining second half of the prompt. Now in Grok you'll see 3 dots on the generated video. Click on those and select the extend video option. Paste your second half prompt there and hit generate. And now it'll stitch it together giving you a full 12-second video, which is perfect for reels and shorts. And if you want it even longer, you can divide the prompt into 3 parts and repeat the same extend process one more time, so the length is basically in your control. That's it. Drop a comment if this worked for you and subscribe because I keep dropping stuff exactly like this.